Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I wanted to show you a quick little trick. So when you visit these websites, you get an annoying pop-up saying sign up, or else you cannot really read anything on the website. You forcefully have to sign up or else leave out that website. But there's a little trick that you can use to bypass these kind of shitty pop-ups and read your blogs or like whatever you want to do on that website. So let's say you're visiting Quora, you're reading some article or something, and then you scroll down and want to see more answers, and you are greeted with these kind of pop-up messages. Either you sign up or else leave. So what you do now is you open Google Developer Console, and here what you can do, you can click this arrow and select this whole property. As I selected, what I'll do, I'll just delete that. See, that is deleted. Now I just need to delete this blur thing. So how can I delete that? I just need to look out where the blur function is there in this HTML. So if you know a bit of HTML, it's very easy for you, or else you can just watch some 10-minute tutorial and it will be pretty easy for you as well. Now you can see that there's this option called filter in this class, which I can use to delete this, right? So what I'll do, I'll just delete that and hit enter. That blur is gone. But one thing I'm facing is like I cannot scroll it. So what I can do, look out for overflow. So in HTML, overflow is the tag that you use to make a website scroll vertically. Also one thing, this whole thing stays in the body main tag. Okay, so what I can do, I can check the body tag, here it is, and then look for the overflow, here it is. So from hidden, I need to change it to auto, and here it is. Now I can see the whole blog. Not just that, one thing I can also do, I can click on this continue reading, and it will also open up the whole blog as well. Let's see some other websites. So this is a random website I pulled up, and same thing I'll do, I'll open developer console and then select this whole thing. This is selected. What I'll do, I'll just delete that. Now again same thing, it is coming up as blur. I'll again select this arrow thing and select this, then delete this whole blur. But again, I cannot just scroll it. As you can see, I'm trying, but it's not. So what I need to do, I again will look out for something like overflow, or is there anything. So, and again, because it stays in body part, so I'll just try to find something in the body part, and there is nothing styling. But what I'll do, I'll try to tinker with these classes and see if it works. So I don't really know exactly what this TP model open does. So what I'll do, I'll try to delete this and hit enter and see. Wow, voila. See, this is how you can bypass all these shitty pop-ups and or read any blogs. That's it guys, that was it. I hope this video helped you. If it does, give it a like. Bye.